An exciting update. One of my friends visited Singapore and brought back some amazing diecast cars. And one of the highlights, the Tomica Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary. Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. So let's take it out of the box and check it out. Wow, this diecast looks absolutely stunning. Tomica has truly captured the refined look of this legendary supercar. Let's take a quick look at the real car. As the Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary was introduced in 1988 to celebrate the 25 years of Lamborghini, and it features an update version by Orashi Pogani, improved aerodynamics, and more refined details compared to the earlier version, a true icon. But so that makes the Tomica stand out its limited availability, as many of their cars are only sold in Japan, making them rare and valuable for collectors. So if you ever get a chance to own one, go for it. Overall, I'm really impressed with this Tomica Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary, and it's a fantastic addition to my collection. So that's the latest diecast update, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more diecast content. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.